Hey guys, what's up? Jai Hind. This is Ananya, your SST Master Teacher here at Vedantu. So guys, tomorrow, 30th of November, your term 1 examination is going to start and the first examination is on SST. So what I thought, let's come up with a revision on the entire syllabus of SST, alright? So guys, video is going to be very important. Make sure that you guys are staying with me till the very end, and if you people are new, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much in advance, alright? Chalo. So guys, I'm going to ask you 20 questions. Guys, first of all, what you guys are supposed to do, after every question you read, pause the video, think for the answer, and then play the video once again for the answer. All right? Chalo. And you will be telling me at the end of the session how many right answers you gave. So basically, you have to tell me the score in the comment section out of 20. Clear? Chalo. First question, guys, on your screen. Who among the following was the founder of Young Europe Underground Secret Society in Bern? Option A, Giuseppe Garibaldi. Option B, Giuseppe Mazzini. Option C, Count Cavour. Or is it option D, Otto von Bismarck? Pause karo video ko. Think what should be the answer and then play the video once again. And the right answer is Giuseppe Garibaldi, guys. Second question, guys, on the screen. Identify the correct statement with regards to Zolverin from the following options. Option A, it was a coalition of Prussian states formed to manage political alliances. B, its aim was to bind the Prussian politically into an association. C, it was a custom union at the initiative of Prussia. Or is it option D, it helped to awaken and raise national sentiments in Europe? What do you think? Identify the correct statement with regard to Zolverin. And the right answer is option C. It was custom union at the initiative of Prussia. I'm sure you gave the right answer. Chalo. Moving ahead with the third question on your screen. Identify the ideology under which people demanded freedom of market in early 19th century Europe. Option A, is it Romanticism? B, liberalism? C, socialism? Or is it D, rationalism? Bolo. And the right answer is option B, liberalism. Liberalism means freedom. Next question, guys, fourth question on your screen. The piece of land left uncultivated for past 1 to 5 agricultural years is called as what? Barren land, forest land, grazing land, or is it fallow land? क्या लगता है क्या आंसर होना चाहिए? And the right answer is option D, fallow land. Okay, guys, the next question on your screen. Yeah, fifth one. India has land under a variety of relief features. Which of the following features ensures perennial flow of some rivers? The rivers which are flowing throughout the year, those rivers are known as perennial rivers. Provides facilities for tourism and ecological aspects. Option A, plains. Option B, plateaus. Option C, islands. Or is it option D, mountains? So it's very simple, guys. 9th class में हमने पढ़ा है. And the right answer is option D, mountains. Guys, like for example, River Ganga, River Indus, River Brahmaputra, all these are perennial rivers. Yes. So these rivers are flowing throughout the year. Sixth question, guys, आपकी screen के ऊपर ये रहा. Identify the significant reason of power sharing from the following options. A, it reduces socio-economic conflicts. B, it provides ethnic cultural development. C, it allows people to enjoy specific rights. Or D, restricts supremacy of one party. So you have to identify the significant reason of power sharing from the following options. Pause the video, सोचो क्या आंसर होना चाहिए, and then play the video once again for the right answer. And the right answer is option A, it reduces socio-economic conflicts. ठीक है? चलो. Moving ahead with the next question, guys. But before we move ahead, do not forget to like this video. And also subscribe to this channel if you people are new. Share this video with all your friends. Chalo. Next question, guys. Seventh question on your screen. Why is the power shared among different organs of government called as horizontal distribution of power? Identify the correct reason. A, it gives judiciary more power than legislature and executive. B, it allows different organs of government to be placed at same level. C, it gives representation to different ideologies at political level. Or is it D, it influences and coordinates in decision making process? क्या लगता है? And the right answer is option B. It allows different organs of government to be placed at same level. The system of checks and balances. ठीक है? Eighth question, guys, on your screen. Total we have 20 questions to go. Which of the following states of India enjoys special power under the Article 371A of the Constitution of India? So, is it Nagaland, Rajasthan, Punjab, or is it Tamil Nadu? So, the right answer is option A, that is Nagaland. Ninth question, guys, on the screen. Which one of the following is the correct meaning of average income? A. The total income of a country divided by its total population. B. The total income of a country divided by its total population. C. Okay, option A and B. Okay, option A is the total income of a country divided by its earning population, and B is total income of a country divided by its total population. C, the total income of all the residents of the country, or is it D, the total income from the domestic and foreign resources? So which of the following is the correct meaning of average income? And the right answer is option B, the total income of a country divided by its total population. Okay. Next question, guys, 10th question on your screen. Consequences of environmental degradation do not respect national or state boundaries. Which of the following is the essence of this statement? Economic development, human development, sustainable development, or is it national development? Consequences of environmental degradation do not respect national or state boundaries. You have to tell me which of the following is the essence of this statement. And the right answer is option C, that is sustainable development. Okay. Next question, guys, 11th one. Which of the following options are correct about Balkan nationalism? A, for the first statement, the Balkan region became part of the conflicts because of the Ottoman Empire. Second statement, the region comprised of the ethnic groups included Greeks, Serbs, Montenegro, etc. The third statement, British and ethnic nationalists struggled to establish their identity. So which of the following options are correct about Balkan nationalism, guys? 4 options you can see. Your time starts now. क्या लगता है? Option A says that the first and the second statement are correct. B says that second and the third statement are correct. C says that only second statement is correct. D says that only first statement is correct. And the right answer is option A. First and the second statement both are absolutely right. Next one, guys. 12th question on your screen. Identify the soil with the help of clues given below. A. Okay, so 3 hints are given to you. It develops in areas with high temperature and heavy rainfall. Second one is low in humus content. Third one found in hilly areas of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So you have to identify the type of soil. Alright. So is it the forest soil, yellow soil, black soil, or is it the laterite soil? क्या लगता है? And the right answer is it is laterite soil, guys. Absolutely amazing. I hope, guys, you are able to give the right answers. 13th question, guys. If we consider the following statements on power sharing, select the answers using the codes given below related to power sharing. First statement, it is good for democracy. Second statement, it creates harmony in different groups. Third statement, it brings transparency in the governance. Fourth statement, it brings socio-political competition among parties. Options you can see. Okay. So the right answer is option A. The first, the second and the third statement is absolutely right. It is good for democracy. It creates harmony in different groups. It brings transparency in the governance. Yes. 14th question, guys. Assertion, AR question. Assertion is Sri Lanka adopted Sinhala as the only official language of the state. Reason, the government of Sri Lanka wanted to foster their culture, language and religion. Guys, it's a very simple AR question. क्या लगता है? And guys, the right answer is option A. Assertion is also right, reason is also right, and reason is correctly explaining us the assertion. 15th question, guys. A man is employed on a food processing farm where he has to do a lot of manual work. His wife and daughter also helps him in his work on the farm every day. Which type of employment is this an example? So is it underemployment, seasonal employment, overemployment, or is it cyclical employment? What do you think? And the right answer is option A, underemployment. Superb, guys. Moving ahead with the next question, guys, 16th one. But before we move ahead, guys, quickly let me tell you guys about our pro subscription, guys. If you are new to this channel, guys, and if you wish to learn from us not only on YouTube but by taking our V Pro subscription, you guys can definitely join our Vedantu's Pro subscription. Guys, there are many advantages. First of all, guys, if you have any doubts, your concepts are not clear, you are lagging behind the syllabus, you need explanation in Hindi or in English, or you need a revision plan. So guys, this is the best way to take all these advantages, because over here every session is going to be live. Now guys, you know the difference between attending a live class and a recorded one. When you attend a live class, you actually interact with your teachers. All right, take care. Your entire syllabus is covered. You guys can download the notes. Now guys, we have two teacher pattern. Master teacher will clear all your concepts and class teacher will clear all your doubts during the class. And guys, if you take our doubts app, that is a mobile app, you will be getting like you can ask doubts from morning 8 a.m. to evening 11 p.m. after the class also. All right, so assignments are given, tests are given, tests are taken, micro courses, you guys can enroll to micro courses, guys, and many advantages. Guys, my suggestion would be you guys can take the trial course. The course for the entire year is also available, but my suggestion would be you guys can take the trial courses, which is available at just 2,500. But if you apply my coupon code AD Pro, it will come down to 2250. So guys, basically in this price you are getting the advantages of all the advantages. Okay, with which subjects will be taught: physics, chem, bio, maths, SST, English. If you take classic subscription, you will get a doubts app. Means after the class also you guys can ask unlimited questions, which is available at 2,700. Yes. So guys, link in the description box. AD Pro is my coupon code. At any point of time, you guys can use this coupon code and take 10% flat off on all our plans. Chalo. Now guys, I want everyone to pause the video, read this entire source, read this entire paragraph, and then I'm going to ask you questions on this. Cool? Okay. Chalo, first question is, guys, 16th one, first question from this paragraph, and 16th one can infer from the above given information that marginal and small farmers have been pushed out of cultivation. Which one of the following is a prominent cause? A. Food and fruit crops are expensive in market. B. Shift to multifarious crops according to demand. C. Periodic scarcity of water in many regions. Or is it D. Soil degradation and extensive green revolution? Which one of the following is the prominent cause? And the right answer is option D, guys. Soil degradation and extensive green revolution is the main cause. All right. Next question, guys, on your screen. Read the following statements and find the correct from the given options. Statement number 1, Indian farmers are diversifying their cropping pattern. Statement number 2, they are shifting production from cereals or to fruits, vegetables, etc. Statement number 3, jute is in high demand in the Indian market. All right. So options are A, first and the second statement is correct. B, second and third statement is correct. C, only third statement is correct. Or is it D, only second statement is correct? क्या लगता है? And guys, the right answer is option A. First and second statement both are absolutely right. 18th question, guys, on your screen. According to the information given below, there has been a reduction in the net sown area under cereal and pulses. What is the reason behind it? A. Lack of markets to sell cereals and pulses. B. earn more income from non-agricultural sector? C. Need of huge labor in cultivating cereals and pulses? Or is it D. Availability of more profits from commercial crops? Alright. So according to the information given above, there has been reduction in net sown area under cereals and pulses. Identify the reason, and the right answer is option D. Availability of more profits from commercial crops. Second last question, guys, on your screen, 19th one. Fertilizers, pesticides, and insecticides, which once showed dramatic results, are now being held responsible for degradation of soil. Infer the positive effect of these inputs noticed earlier from the following statements. A. These inputs have shown increased outputs and productivity. B. These are integral to the process of reducing agrarian losses. C. These inputs can cut the amount of harvestable produce. D. These are the leading causes of mortality and health problems. What do you think? क्या लगता है? Infer the positive effects of these inputs noticed earlier from the following statements. And guys, the right answer is option A. These inputs have shown increased outputs and productivity. Last question, guys, on your screen, the 20th one. Food production provides the base for food security and is a key determinant of food availability. What is this trend shifting towards industrial crop? Why is this trend shifting towards industrial crops? Choose the correct options in reference to the context. A. To improve the land use pattern. B. To use intensive farming techniques. C. To improve the fertility of soil. Or is it D. To fetch more income and high earnings? So you have to choose the correct options in reference to this context. And the right answer is option D. To fetch more income and high earnings. Guys, all the very best for your examination. At any point of time, if you feel that you guys are having a great time with us on YouTube, if you want to learn from us, link in the description box. AD Pro is my coupon code, and be a part of our V Pro. Once again, guys, all the best. I'll see you guys in my next session. Till then, take very, very, very good care of yourself. Bye, guys. Take care.